Changing your password on Slack is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password quickly and securely. Step 1. Open Slack. Launch the Slack application on your device or visit the Slack website in your web browser. Log into your workspace if you are not already logged in. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your workspace name or profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Profile and Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Password Change. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Account tab. Here, you will find the option to change your password. Click on Change Password to proceed. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the required criteria for security. Confirm the new password by entering it again in the designated field. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the necessary information, click on the Save Changes button to update your password. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. Now you have successfully changed your password on Slack. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider using a password manager for added security.